Our Computex 2018 coverage was made possible by Aerocool, Synology and AlphaCool. Hey everyone, Andy Raffel from eTeknix.com, and as you probably already know if you've seen our What's in the Bag video, which will be linked somewhere, we're at Computex 2018 in Taipei, Taiwan. Now, the show hasn't actually started yet, but that hasn't stopped the likes of ASUS from kind of making a few announcements anyway, and one of them really caught our eye. So as you may know, ASUS already have a line of mobile phones, branded as Zen phones. Now, what they've actually done is they've taken this one step further. Maybe this is part of the reason they've actually sort of wanting to take on Razer with their latest Razer phone, a gaming phone as they put it, or maybe they just kind of had this in the pipeworks to start with. Now what they've actually done is they've unveiled the ROG phone. It is a fully fledged gaming phone and the specs are pretty impressive. So it comes with the new Snapdragon 845 processor, which is the latest and greatest processor that you can actually get for mobile phones these days. Obviously short of going with Apple and their own kind of proprietary processor. And it has got some amazing features to go with that as well. So being a gaming phone, they focused heavily on the screen. So this is actually a 90 Hertz refresh rate on the screen. It is an AMOLED display. So obviously with the Razer phone, we did see 120 Hertz, but that was on an IGZO IPS panel. This is an AMOLED display and it has a 1 millisecond response time, which is absolutely fantastic. Now, certain countries you're going to find different packages. You'll be able to buy the phone on its own, but in the UK we've already been told that it's going to come with all of the accessories that will allow you to sort of game whether you're at home or on the go. Now this includes some kind of controllers which look very similar to what Nintendo have done with the Nintendo Switch, that kind of go onto the side and off you go, you can start playing games. There's also a few other added accessories as well, so you get a quick charger. Now, we all know that there's certain phones out there that can make use of Qualcomm's Quick Charge 4.0. This does exactly that, but it also has their own charger. Now, what they've actually done with the charger is they've taken the IC out of the phone and put it into the charger itself. So as you may know, when you charge your phone, the phone does typically tend to get a little bit warm. You won't have any problems like that. But you still will be able to use sort of standard chargers and things like that as well. What they've also done is they've adapted the phone itself so that there is a charger in the side of the phone. Now this will allow you, so when you're actually playing in sort of landscape mode, it's not going to kind of get in the way like it will do on a conventional phone. So they've really thought about the design with this. Other added accessories is a dual dock where you can actually put the phone into the dock with a second screen and you can sort of play games that obviously require that type of technology and feature. So, and on top of that, there is a cooling device as well, which does allow you to kind of, plug into, and it will just kind of keep the phone nice and cool when you are doing them long gaming sessions. We haven't been told anything on price yet. We're expecting, just based on sort of the feedback we was given, that it is going to be quite highly priced. But obviously you are getting a lot of bang for your buck when you take into consideration the amount of accessories and that you can either get for it or do come included with it. Like we said, in the UK, you will get all of those included as standard. So yeah, again, no word on sort of availability, but generally when we're looking at announcements at Computex, being the fact that it's in June, we normally expect the devices to sort of come out around September time. So hopefully very, very soon, and hopefully obviously as we get nearer to that time, we will have a lot more information for you. So yeah, hopefully you enjoyed the video. Remember to stay tuned for a lot more Computex coverage from Taipei, Taiwan, and I'll see you in the next video. See you later.